Hey, what's up guys? Tom Tang here. I thought I'd do a fun little video today to show you the customer experience journey that I've been on for the last, really it's been probably about a year since I received my allocation for my 2025 992 GT3 RS that you see behind me here. It's been a long journey, right? From being notified that I had received an allocation to speccing out the car, making a lot of important decisions in terms of what options do I want, what I want things to look like. And then, there was the waiting process, right? I had to wait for the car to get built. I had to wait for the car to get shipped. And along the way, Porsche did a lot of really cool things to make sure that I continue to be informed, engaged. And so I thought I'd share a little bit of that with you guys today because it's not something that I've really seen anywhere on the internet. And so I thought, maybe others would be curious in terms of what does it look like. I think they do an awesome job of providing a really special customer experience. So let me show you what I mean by that. So as you can see here, they sent me a couple of boxes, right? So I'm gonna show you these three here today. Why don't we start with the first one on top? So as you can see here, they wrote me a little note, right, with my name on it, talking about how when Ferry Porsche first built, the very first car in 1948, it was a dream come true. And, just talking about that passion that has continued ever since then. And nice little note card here. And then what's inside the box is really cool. So there's a smaller box here. And as you can see, it's a nice little cloth. And in it, it's obviously a little worn because I've used it already a couple of times, but they sent me a little card holder wallet that's Porsche branded in a really nice blue leather, which is just, again, super sweet and not something that I expected at all. So it was really fun to receive this in the mail. It's nice. I actually use this from time to time, when I don't feel like bringing my entire wallet. But yeah, that's what that looks like. So let me go ahead and set this aside and put this over here. And then the next thing that they sent me, again, I got a wallet, so I was like, that's really cool. What else did they send to me in the mail? So let me go ahead and open this box. This is really special. As you can see here, again, they wrote me a note, talking about Ferry Porsche's legacy when he first built, the first car. But this is really cool. This is what I love in this letter. So it says, inside this box, you'll find a buildable model of a famous and historic Porsche, one that excelled on the racetrack decades ago and still inspires us to this very day. While we build your car, you can enjoy building one of ours. We hope it fuels your imagination about all of the drives to come. And then it's signed by, the president and CEO of Porsche North America. I mean, this is just ridiculous, right? Like, so cool. As a car person, I love the fact that, they sent me a model, right? So there's literally instructions in here of me being able to build, a 1964 Porsche 911. It's got all the parts in here, right? So you can see it's got the interior. I'll open this up a little bit. Take this out. I mean, how cool is this, right? I haven't had time to build this yet. I really want to. One of these days, I'm just gonna sit down and really enjoy it. But yeah, this is die cast, right? This isn't like, cheap material. I mean, it's beautiful, right? Got a little dashboard over here. Hold this up to the camera, let you guys see it. The bottom part of the car, the interior. Again, like, just an incredible customer experience that they provide. It's unbelievable. Oops, I think it goes like this. There we go. So let me set that down. And then let me show you the third and final box. So this thing is really cool. I actually received this just a couple days ago from when I'm filming this video here. The other things, the wallet that I talked about earlier, the die-cast model, I got those a couple months ago. I'm not sure how they determine the timing of things. Maybe it's with the different build stages of the car, but this box here was the last thing to come in the mail. And let me show you what's inside here. So it's got a little magnetic way of opening it. And yeah, as you can see here, there is another letter from Porsche, and I've redacted my address so you don't know where I live. But yeah, it says, "Dear Mr. Tang, writing to thank you for choosing a 911 GT3 RS and for being a loyal member of the Porsche family." And it's signed by the President and Chief Executive Officer of Porsche. And let me go ahead and show you what's in the rest of this box. You'll notice here there's a metal card. It's got the Porsche emblem on it. And then on the back side, which I'm not going to show you, it has my name that's engraved, the VIN number, the year, make, and model of my car. So it says 2025 911 GT3 RS. What you'll notice down here is that they also sent me a carbon fiber 911 pen. So this thing's sick. It's a really, really fancy pen. Reminds me of those like Mont Blanc pens. But yeah, it says 911 on it. It's really cool. I guess I'll use it for signing important things, maybe checks or something like that. But yeah, pretty stoked to have this thing. It's really nice. And then last but certainly not least, you'll notice in the box here there's a book. So let me show you what's inside. Really nice. It's a book that talks a little bit about the principles of Porsche, talking about kind of the essence, the spirit, the devotion. So obviously, you know, talking about Ferry Porsche, Ferdinand, the family, kind of what's at the core of every vehicle, right? Whether that's the turbo, the Taycan, the devotion to the brand, the history in terms of racing at Le Mans. They talk about some of the special paint finishes. Yeah, that's a good picture. What it's like to actually experience, you know, again, not just driving, right? But Porsche has always been affiliated with winning and this great spirit and passion for life. So I love that they really connect to that. This is Porsche at Le Mans. Porsche customer racing. Yeah, but you know, I won't flip through kind of all of it, but as you can see here, again, just an awesome coffee table book, right? I'm super excited to have this at my house and for people when they come over to be able to flip through it and check it out. As you guys know, I have a huge passion for the Porsche brand, and it's been a dream come true for me to own one, you know, brand new one that I've been able to spec out for myself. So yeah, thank you again to Porsche for, you know, treating me really well as a valued customer, and I'm sure I'm going to be loyal to the brand for many years to come. I hope that was fun for you guys. Thanks for letting me show you a little bit of my own customer experience journey as the owner of a brand new 911 GT3 RS. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button.